Well, we got a slight weather problem here on Planet Mojo. The problem is I have this fire here. My sister and I, we got most of what I cut last time I was in here. There's still a good amount of cedar down there though. This fire was lit and I could not get out here that evening to consolidate it. And it doesn't seem like it burned all that well to start with. So what I need to do is get this stuff burned up before it starts raining tonight. We're expecting rain tonight, and I think it's for the next, it's either 4 or 5 days. I think it's minor rain tomorrow, and then steady rain for a good 4 days. So, I have this firewood that I was using to start fires back here, that it was pulled from the savanna back here. I need to get a fire lit with a good pile of this and some dry stuff and some cardboard, and make room in this gator and take everything that's left, as well as this stuff that was gathered up from down in the west pasture. And once I get the fire lit, I'm going to go park this in the shelter and let it sit while it rains. So I have some good dry stuff to start some fires next week, hopefully. I hope to be cutting here next week, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so what I need to do is back up to there with a little bit more wood on here and then walk it over there and get that thing going. It has a lot of stoking that needs to happen, and I have about 2.5 hours to get it done, so I really need to move. Okay, that about does it for back here. That was a lot of work. Didn't realize I had so many damn trees off back that way, but I did. I left the cedar stuff over there. I left it be. I'm going to burn that down on the road later. But this, I'm probably going to burn back in there somewhere. I don't know. We'll see. Got so many days of rain. I might not be burning too soon. Now, I got to get the rest of that wood back onto the gator. Then I want to back it into the shelter and leave it there until the rain stops. And then hopefully get some of the other piles burned down. I don't know, I'd like to be in here cutting, so maybe I'll do that instead. We'll see. And then I need to quick check on the fires I lit earlier today, because I will be picking up my daughter in a little bit, and then by the time we get home, it's getting pretty dark already. I'll get this loaded up. I bumped my tiller a little bit on the way in. I should have had it sideways like this to start with, but no damage. What I'm going to do now is go down to the 2 burn piles I started this morning and see how they're doing before I head out and get my daughter. So I'm over in the west pasture here. I have lots of little piles started over here waiting to burn. So there's no end to that job. And there's no end to areas where I should burn, like right up against that big oak log there. And I got a ton of wood down over here. And of course this is the trees from up along the road. And this is that walnut that pinched my saw. See, I should start a fire right on these two logs here as well. So I think this is going to become known as the burning channel. But at some point that'll all be done. After this, of course. Oh, that burned pretty damn good. I gotta get in here and push all that stuff up against that log right there as soon as I get back from picking up the girl. Yeah, this one might take a couple burns to get it down to nothing, but got a good start. Well, that'll about do it for today. If you liked the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you click on the update icon, you'll receive notice when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and have yourself a great day.